place is actually built since 1939. But then our ceramic washroom was built since during 1970, and it took 3 years to build it. Okay? Because during 1970, there is no highway in Malaysia. Okay? This is the only main road. So people, no matter they are going to Singapore or they are going to Kuala Lumpur, they have to pass by this road. The art pieces by Gaudi in Barcelona.
Our field trip to the pottery studio gave us a hands-on experience with pottery art or ceramics. Students explored wheel throwing. The other group also did a hand building experience. But we didn't have the time to do the glazing to finish the ceramic pieces right on, but we had a really wonderful experience. The trip also allowed them to step outside of the classroom and experience a professional working environment.
Working with clay, I've noticed that if you make a tiny error, you could clearly see it. But sometimes in other sorts of artworks, such as 2D, it'll take you some time to realize your mistake. And I feel that it's much more convenient to use clay in terms of that.
Today I learned that even if you make a mistake, it's okay to restart everything, but just don't stop what you're doing.
Problem solving was a key part of the pottery process. Working with clay requires a constant adjustment, especially with working with wheel throwing. Another problem solving that they need to work is preventing cracks. So we guided them to prevent it.
Or you can use a little bit of water, and then I would more recommend using clay stick. Just too much water, when it dries, everything can crack very easily, especially at the bottom.
Also, the trial and error process reflects how artists continuously adapt and refine their work. It's like a turtle, right?
Nice. What challenges that I faced was that obviously pottery is a hard medium to work with and you have to take your time. So what I did was that I didn't rush anything. I took my time, redid everything, and my outcome is great.
My piece tells a story about my pet turtle. I've had him ever since I was young for a while, and it's just a little piece to memorize him.
This field trip basically aligns with the AP Art program, which is the emphasis on the sustained investigation. Right now, the AP students are mostly dedicated to working on the SI works. SI works requires a lot of experimentation and it involves skill development. The experience challenges them to think conceptually, which also strengthens their technical craftsmanship. Experience like this exposes students to professional studio practice and real-world creative workflows. It builds technical skills, resilience, and patience. Also, qualities like these, it builds essential artistic careers. And it also helps students understand discipline and dedication required in teaching pottery and ceramic arts itself.